In this lesson, we're going to learn about expressions. An expression is a type of VBA statement. It utilizes operators, which we will discuss. The purpose of expressions is to create an output, a value that is produced from the statement. In order to produce these values, operators are utilized in order to calculate the result. Let's take a look at these operators now. They are simple symbols that you are already familiar with. In the first expression, we see the mathematical operator. The addition symbol and others that we may use, such as the multiplication asterisk, the dash for division, and the caret for exponential calculations. The second type of symbol is a symbol that stitches together string characters. The third type are the comparison operators. These compare two different variables, and depending on which fulfills the criteria, chooses an option. Comparison operators are generally seen in statements where there are multiple conditions that can be fulfilled. Each of these symbols are considered operators, and any statement that includes them can be considered an expression.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe from you. And if you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel, check out these videos above. And don't forget to check out our website, commercecurve.com, where we have lots of in-depth finance and accounting courses available with full training workbooks. All of our courses come with complete workbooks of lessons, examples, pre-built financial models, and training video. Hope to see you there.